Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty of Woman. Today we are talking about beautiful curly haircut ideas for women over 50 and 60. Curly hair is full of beauty, texture and natural volume. With the right haircut, curls can look stylish, soft and easy to manage at any age. Let's explore some lovely curly hairstyle ideas in easy words. First we have the short curly haircut. This hairstyle is simple, fresh and comfortable. Short curls look lively and full of movement. They are easy to wash and style, making them perfect for daily life. Next is a curly bob hairstyle. A curly bob is elegant and timeless. It frames the face beautifully and gives a soft and youthful appearance. This hairstyle works well with both natural curls and soft waves. Another beautiful idea is the layered curly haircut. Layers help curls look lighter and more natural. They also add shape and prevent the hair from looking too heavy. Layered curls are stylish and easy to manage. Now let's talk about the shoulder length curly hairstyle. This is a wonderful choice for women who like medium length hair. Soft curls around the shoulders create a graceful and feminine look. We also have the curly pixie cut. This hairstyle is short, medium, modern and full of personality. Curly pixie cuts are easy to maintain and look very stylish for women over 50. Another lovely option is the natural grey curly hairstyle. Many women proudly keep their grey curls and they look absolutely beautiful. Grey curly hair gives a classy, confident and elegant appearance. Now let's talk about hair care. Curly hair needs moisturize to stay soft and healthy. Using conditioner and curl cream can help reduce dryness and frizz. Gentle care helps curls stay shiny and defined. The best thing about curly hair is its natural volume and texture. Curls can make any hairstyle look lively and unique without too much styling. In the end, curls are beautiful at any age. The right haircut can help you feel confident, stylish and comfortable every day. Choose the hairstyle that matches your personality and enjoy your natural beauty. Thanks for watching.